You ready?
Okay.
Okay, but I need questions. Okay, Joey Brown, this is for you. Okay, you're a graduate who can now use both sides of your body together and separately. You can motor plan, bounce a ball around the catenate, throw it up, down, and into either side. You can catch a ball thrown from all around you. You can focus, track with your eyes up, down, and from side to side. You can now process sensory input more quickly, and you're finally willing to transition from one activity to another. You are interacting with other children and learning to compromise. You are able to handle loud noises more appropriately, and your noises are less loud. Obviously, maybe you're not ready to graduate.
Yay! He doesn't want to, he said before he came here.
No.
You can maintain supine flexion and prone extension symmetrically. You're moving against gravity, and you're developing strength and endurance. You could balance in standing, kneeling, half kneeling, and quadruped. You could jump real high and so far, and you're not afraid to try new activities. You could tie your shoes when you want to, and you could write legibly. Letters are straight and most often written in the correct direction. You could keep your head in midline. You are gaining midline control and can walk a balance beam attempted by any of you. You are ready to move on your own. You could smile, be proud of yourself, and get off your couch. Joey, you could do anything you want to do as long as you think you can. You are in control. We are proud of you.
Everybody clap.
Yay, Joey!